Hello, welcome students. Welcome to Short Sir classes. So we are solving this question of NTSE national level, that is at the stage 2 level. So this is question number 9. So it is saying that digit numbers from 1 to 2, 1 to 12 of the clock dial are replaced by the letters of the English alphabet. And the replacement starts with the letter C, but vowels and immediate next consonants of a vowel are not included in the replacement. The classes in the school starts at n hours t minutes and lasts till a time when the minute hand is at k and the hour hand is between s and t, so very slightly ahead of s. So 5 periods is there of equal duration are held during this interval. The break of 7 minutes is given to students after first period, and duration of break increases by 2 minutes after each period. Now to find the exact duration of a period in minutes. So now we have to draw simple. This is a clock. If I have a clock with me, this okay. So we have this over 12, 6, 3, 9, and we will have this 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. So this is my clock. Okay. So just we can put all of them inside this 6, this 9, 6 and 3. So it is saying that the class in the school starts at NT. So now we have to do the numbering. So it is starting from C. So the letter 1 to, you can see that the digits and numbers from 1 to 12 of the clock dial are replaced by the letters of the English alphabet. The replacement starts with the letter C. Okay. So we will have this first at 12. At 1 we will have C. Then 2 it is D. Okay. So then E is absent because no vowels will be there, and immediate consonants of the vowel are not included. So D, E, F is excluded. After that 3 is G, H, I and J will be excluded. K, L, M, N, O, P excluded. Q, O, P is excluded. Q, R, S and T. So that will be the numbering of this clock. Now we have this total. This number is the class in the school start at NT. So this N hours and T minutes is nothing but, so N is at 8 and T is at 12. So the class is starting at 8 a.m. in the, so this is 8 of a.m. okay, and last till a time when the minute hand is K is at K. So this is at the K, so the class is ending on the, this is at K, and the hour hand is between S and T, very slightly ahead of S. So it is between 11 and 2, and K is minute hand is at 5. So we can say that S and T and K, so the class is ending at around this 11:25 a.m. right? So we have total 3 hours 25 minutes of class duration. So it is totally 180 plus 25, which is nothing but 205 minutes we have. Now the thing is that after first period the break of 7 minutes is there, and duration of break increases by 2 minutes after each period. So total number of periods is equal to 5. Total number of classes, sorry, so total period will be 4. So now the break time, you have to find the break time over there. The first it is given as 7, so next break will be of 9 minutes, then it will be of 11 minutes, and finally it will be of 13 minutes. 4 break will be there, so it is coming about 40 minutes, right? So we have this total class duration is now actual class duration. We have this 205 minus 40, which is nothing but 165 of this is a class duration. So now each period duration, so duration of each period in minute, so we will find that duration, so we have to find what is this question, exact duration of period in minutes. In minutes, it is nothing but 165 by 5, which is equal to this 33 minutes. So that is the duration of each period. So in our case the correct option is option B, 33. So question number 10, in teacher is coded as this particular alphabet, mature is coded as this in this alphabet, and the code board will be coded in which form? So first of all, let us write this, that the teacher is expressed as, so we have this K B A D F B M. Now let us consider, so for this type of questions you have to consider that the alphabetical code, alphanumeric code actually. So the alphabet is equivalent to some numerals. So if we consider A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 2, D equal to 4, so up to this point we have this Z equal to 26, right? Now here you can see that this teacher, so let's write this, so teacher will be 20, E is 5, A1, C3, H8, E is also 5, and R is nothing but 18. Okay. Similarly, K will be 11, B is 2, A is 1, 4 is there, D, it is 6, it is 2, and M is 13, right? So now if you can see in this manner that T to M, we have this T equal to 20 and M equal to 13. So if we consider this, so it is M equal to T equal to 20, M equal to 13. Now if we consider E with this matches with this B, so where E equal to 5, B equal to 2, A is 1, F is 6, C is, so it is 4, it is 3, C is related to D, H is related to A, which is 8 and 1, 5, E is related to B, E is 5 and B is 2, and R is related to H, so which is R is 18 and K is 11. So you can see that the sum or difference of this between each of this value is 7 only. So suppose you take T, which is 20, and M is equal to 13, so the difference is nothing but 7. Similarly, if you take that E for the second case, E is 5 and B is equal to 2, so the sum is 7. So this is the difference and this is the sum. So in every case you can see the sum of the difference of the places of value should be equal to 7 for in the case of teacher. Similarly, if we go for this mature, so you can write this at this M A-T-U-R-E, and in place of mature we have this A-L-O. What is this? A-L-O-N-E-G. Okay. So similarly, you can do this A-L-O-N-E-G. Okay. So now if we put this value, so M is nothing but 13, A1, T 20, U will be 21, R is 18, E is 5. A1, L stands the 12, O is 15, N is 14, E is 5, and G will be 7. Now if we this relate this with this, suppose M is related to G, so M is 13, G is 7, A is related to E, A is 1, E is 5, T is related to N, T is 20, N is 14, U is related to 0, 21 and 15, R is related to L, R is 8 and L is 12, E is related to A, E is 5 and A is 1. So here you can see again that the sum or difference of this sum or difference will be it is equal to this 6. Okay, so if we take M is equal to 13, now G is equal to 7, so we have the difference is 6, right? And if we take this A equal to 1 and E equal to 5, so it is also coming 6, which is the summation. So the sum or difference of this place value should be 6. And also note that the total number of alphabets in this teacher is also 7, and in this particular thing immature it will also be, it is also 6. So we have been given to find the code of board, BOARD. Okay, so let's write this. So we have this given as board. So B is equivalent to 2, O is 15, A is 1, R is 18, and D is 4. So for this 6 alphabets, so we have the sum or difference of 6. For the 7 alphabets, we have the sum or difference is 7. So here you can see that the sum or difference can of the places of value is equal to 5. So it can be sum or difference. So we have to check with the option now. So this is the sum or difference will be 5. Okay, and also the number of alphabets over his board is 5. So if we do this comparison, so board will be, so we can just check with the option. So here we have this, we can see similarly. So here D is given, so to make it in the, so we have to place over in the first position. So either we have 1 over here for the summation, or in this particular position, so this is equivalent to this, we can write in this manner. So for this particular position, or 1, so 1 makes the summation 5, or it can be 9. Okay, so 1 stands for this A, and 9 means I. Okay, so let's check with the option for this. So we have the option with A only. Okay, so this first option is A. Okay, we have to go in this manner, so we can write this equivalently to, so this will be A. Okay, and you can see that none of the other options are starting with A, so we can put this over there. So it is A, M, G, D, D, G, C, D, J, C. So if we put this A, M, D, J, C, now put the values over here. So let's erase this. This is 1 and M is 13. Yes, so D is A, B, 4, right? J is 10, C is 3. So you can see the sum and the difference. So B is related to C, sum or difference, sum is 5. O is related to J, sum is 10. So the difference is 5. A is related to D, the sum is 5. R is related to M, the difference is 5. And D is related to A, the sum is 5. So you can say that B equal to 2, C equal to 3. So it is coming 5. Next we have this O equal to 15 and J equal to 10. So it is coming also as 5. So the sum or difference of the place should be 5, place of this values. So our correct option for this question number 10 is A.